wheels this morning.
He had started it earlier before we got there, and then he took it for a ride, and it didn't make it back up the hill. And reason being, well, neither one of us knew, but the reason being is that the gear back here came loose on the the clutch hub, and tore the breakaway pin loose. You can't buy this BDL comp clutch kit hub. You can buy all the parts, but you can't buy the hub unless you buy the whole kit, and it was $1,000. So I decided to put I talked to a cat guy, and we decided to use Permatex gear mount, and we put that in there, and I put a new pin in it, and got it fired up. I wasn't going to bring you guys out here, so I figured it'd be pretty boring doing this. Ruthie, she was like, "Oh, you gotta make some stuff for some content." And yes, we need to make some content, but I am just farting around, so guess make some farting around content. The best way to deal with depression. The best way to deal with depression. Well, the number one thing would just be to get through it. And the only reason why I'm here to even say anything about it is because of the Lord. Jesus Christ. I just lost a little tiny screw. It fell down there somewhere. You wouldn't happen to seen what it did with that screw, would you? Didn't find that screw. Well, it's not jumping out and saying, "Here I am." What was that? It would be helpful if it did. Here I am, right here. Come get me. I want to go back on my spot. That's what I was made for. There it be. There you go. See there? I'm glad you just jumped out there and got yourself found. 'Cause now that you're found, you ain't lost no more. Yeah, we can go ahead and put you back where you belong. Yes, sir. Now, where was I before I was so caught off guard? All right. Well, I screwed up by putting those on two different tabs. So, what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and cut those. Wanted them on separate terminal ends in case one of them didn't belong there. But I don't have enough wire to do that. I mean, enough space on that screw. That's what I meant to say. Cut the freaking wire off. Gotta put some karate on it.
Put some karate on that.
A little bit more karate on there. A little bit of Mongolian on that one. Or whatever. Whew. Well, this is becoming a wrestling match, I know that. So woo-wee. What fun, huh? Well, I'm going to see if it'll fire up. It may or it may not. But I'm going to give it a try. I ain't heard it in a few months. I'd like to hear it fire up before I get started.